Hi, welcome to Coffee with Carmelo. My name is Siobhan, business developer here at United Professional Engineering, and we have a question for Carmelo. So, Carmelo, how did you get started in engineering? What brought you to this space?
So I grew up doing construction with my father. At a very young age, I joined him on, construction job sites, and we did everything from a lot of concrete work, you know, digging footings, setting up pours, setting reinforcing steel. I can't say how many slabs I assisted with setting up and pouring, and did tendon mason. Again, I can't recall how many times I mixed batches of mortar for brick, brick masonry and block masonry, sorts of types of construction, as well as building hands-on, framing with wood. We built a number of houses together.
Wow.
So I think this experience is invaluable when it comes to the engineering thing. But what that did was, since I did well in school, and so it was either construction, architecture, or engineering, and I seemed to enjoy math and science a bit more. So that's why I took the engineering route, and I wanted to pursue structural engineering because it kind of more in the building side of things. So so that's what I did. And so I went to after high school, went to the University of Florida and studied civil engineering, and then after college, got into the structural engineering field. How it works typically with engineering is that you get a 4-year bachelor's degree in civil engineering, and then there's specialties like structural, civil, geotechnical, materials, etc. And so there's all these different disciplines you can get into, and while you're in that field, you learn from the employer that you're with, essentially. And if you're doing structural, how to design; civil, same thing; materials, etc. So I focus on structural design out of college, and and in parallel, the people that I work for were doing concrete restoration projects. So that's kind of how I've got my specialty in concrete repair. So
Wow, that's amazing. And that led you to here, to United Professional Engineering.
yeah. So that's more of the story, but as far as how I got into engineering, that's basically it, through working with my father doing construction.
That's amazing. Well, thank you so much for sharing a glimpse of how you got started. So for more questions with Carmelo, Coffee with Carmelo, stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.